Thank you, Deanna. Congratulations, Deanna. Congratulations to all our class of 2011. I think we agreed this night, we weren't sure we were going to have it with the rain during the day, but it was well worth the wait, just as the season will be well worth the wait. Thank you all for coming here to Canton, Ohio. It's the home of pro football. We'll see you here next August. Have a great night. Have a safe night. Have a healthy year. See you back here next year. Ready for some football.